Hello and good afternoon from India. We are on our sixth play hour. I'm Kinshuk, the business guide second quest, and joining me in a bit is Yadu, our creative director. And today we'll be playing model trains for another hour live with the latest version of the game. I think Yadu is also here. Let me add him. Hey Yadu, welcome to the
Hello.
play hour. So let's get
Hello.
started.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen quickly. I hope it's working fine for everybody very quickly. So I'm playing the latest version in Unity, um, and I can get started. So Yadu, do you have any plans of what you want to build today?
I'm not. I think we have. I have some ideas. Maybe you also have some ideas. We can.
So let's just see where we get to. So I'm just loading a previous map. Yeah. So a few things are different here. First of all, we are trying to get the scale in place better than earlier. Earlier, the game would start at a very high elevation, something like this. Now we're starting closer to the map, and we're working on some new interesting things. So people might see bits and pieces of it somewhere. Primarily in the graphics of the game, like things have been changing, and you will see things differently lit this time. The game feels a little darker, but that's because some interesting things are in place. So let's look at the lay of the land, Yadu. This is Crater Falls, actually a map that Yadu has built.
It's
Uh,
one of those bumpy maps that I have made. Yes.
yeah. So Yadu, when you were making this map, what were you thinking? Like, how have you laid out this map?
So one of the new features that kind of we were working on was sea levels, and the idea was to kind of build a space which is sort of surrounded by water. And the idea in this was that it is somewhat something that's kind of close to the coast, but and has some sort of a river which kind of flows into the map as well. So the playable area in this has some water bodies, but most of that water is also kind of outside of the play area. There's only a little
I
bit
think
where you
it's
can.
just about the edge of the map, I think.
This is the edge of the map. I think the that water on the right side is essentially what it is. What is inside the playable area? It kind of is. Uh, I mean, technically, I think Kinshuk can actually, if you do some terrain editing, you'll see that.
Yeah, I
Uh,
think this is where the playable area ends.
yeah, that's where the in this map, that's where the playable area essentially ends.
Yeah.
Yeah, the idea was that you kind of feel like the vastness of the space to one extent. This is also a pretty huge area as well, and that idea of having some sort of water in the map was also that either give people that sort of an idea that they can kind of dig towards water at this point, depending on the elevation,
The last
and
time we showed water, at least, especially on our steam build, it was a very static resin-like water. But now we have started doing things as well. As you can see, there is some surface motion. Let me just fix my camera settings. I think this is fine. So
with
yeah,
with
as you
any
can see,
game in development, you're kind of constantly changing things that you have to go and change your
yeah,
defaults a lot all the time.
yeah.
Yeah, you were
So
saying
actually,
about
we look
the.
like beach area here. Should we start with that? With a beach that the tourists can go to, and then maybe we build a train setup around that.
We can. I mean, so I mean, could you kind of play around with what idea that you have? Maybe even talk about it. I mean, I will. So the way I end up doing like a lot of the builds that I do is to work on the terrain a bit, uh, kind of have an idea of like where do you want things, and at the moment to get an idea of the scale, I usually kind of put down like a track to see and to get an idea of, okay, how, hey, if I wanted to put a station here, let me just put a track first and see that this is the scale at which I'm working in, and how far do you want that to go, and then do some terrain work, and even play some buildings so that I still get an idea of the scale. Uh, the rationale of the scale is that if you're actually building a model train set, you want to know how far you can go and how far you can go.
We seem to have lost you, Yadu. Um, okay. Anyhow, so while we wait for Yadu to join back,
Want things to be.
oh, we lost you
Oh,
there in between Yadu for like a good 30 seconds.
I was talking about. So what I was saying was that if you were going to build in real world, you already have a reference of scale,
Yeah.
one with the space that you have, and one with the scale at which you are building. If you're building an HO scale, you already have a train. You already have small models to that scale. So I think in my head, I sort of want that reference first. So I would end up putting down a train track, maybe spawn a train, and put some buildings roughly to map out in my head where you want to be. I think in the past also I've taken like layouts which kind of already exist out there on the internet, for instance, and then sort of start working towards that and try to map it to the things that I want to build as well. So there are different approaches, whatever works for everybody. The my goal essentially, because you end up playing the game a lot as well, so going back and
Your
changing
blog
in
post
things.
coming about that.
Yeah, I do have that. That's what I'm hinting. Yeah. So what I was getting at was that if you build a lot of things and then and has to go and you have to go back and change a bunch of things, that may end up being more work. Uh, so we are cognizant of that fact because of the way we play, and we are also retroactively trying to give you enough tools as well as
So,
Kinshuk
so
has
yeah,
to build stuff.
that's in general about how players should approach building layouts on the map. For
Yeah.
this session, what do you have in mind? I was thinking maybe we can build like a castle or some ruins here and a beach here and connect
Okay.
that with the train and maybe some civilization around this part. That's one approach we can take, or we
Yeah.
can just you know use this vastness of the space, like that these two hills here basically,
Hmm.
one big hill here and the other hill here, right? So we can also sort of build a track, like two stations and at these ends, and a track that sort of loops in an infinite shape between the two, and we can do some interesting physics experiments along the way. Lately what I've been
Yeah.
doing is trying to get to a point where I build a network where I can navigate the entire network with a train at like 15% throttle or 20% throttle. So that's also something that we can try out and would be interesting.
Yeah. I think sort of fits into that. Like I think most of them, even in real world and even in real locations, like for instance, usually a town gets built around a castle, or there's a church that somebody, things grow out of those kind of spaces anyway. So I think that's a like a seaside village connected to like a like an extended town maybe. Yeah, I think that's an interesting thought. Yeah.
Yeah, so what have we decided?
So we decided that we will do something around the coast, which is like a castle or a small village surrounded by the castle, and then extended town elsewhere, and then you sort of go into that. Uh, Essentially, like build a looping track for that.
Okay. So then let me. So usually, what you're talking about, you build a track and you plan some stuff there. I usually take a different route. What I do is I paint my areas. So, for example, let's pick this ice texture, and we're saying we'll build a beachfront here, okay, and we'll build some castle ruin stuff here, right? And let's see how we can connect them. So we can actually follow the topography a bit and take a train from here, go all the way here like this, follow the slope, and from here we can sort of bend this way and connect to here. Does that make sense? You're on mute, Yadu, if you're saying
I
something.
am on mute. Sorry. What I was saying was that it's is it like a tourist train? That was the first thing I said, which nobody heard. The
Yeah.
second thing was how do we loop back?
Yeah, okay. So for looping back, what we can do is, I think this is within play area, so we can then this track can further extend from along the coastline, and we
Oh,
can
okay, okay.
bridge here
Uh,
right at the edge of the map,
right at the edge of the map.
okay, and we can
That's
just
a
connect here.
very hard turns, but sure.
No, we'll make it work. Like
Yeah, yeah. I
our
mean,
target
this
is
is like a
not
rough
to,
idea, right? Like you're just roughing it out.
and we
Yeah,
can connect back to here, right?
yeah. That sounds good.
I think something like this would be interesting.
Yeah,
So okay, so step one, let's put a station here first.
yeah.
Time to clean this up. Okay. In fact, for placing a building first, I think we might want to level the ground a bit too. Let's look at, folks. This is how we place stations in the game right now. Uh, we will soon have a dedicated tool for this, but I think this will work fine. This should not be under the ground. Yeah, this is great. Okay, we have some.
We have a very green station,
Uh,
and it's a bit.
oh, okay.
I mean, you were right. You should have just flattened it a bit because,
Yeah, so let me do that actually.
yeah, just sample the height and then. I don't know
So
if
we're at
the.
the hill slope right now. I
I'm not
think this,
entirely sure if you are allowed to build so close to a historically important.
yes, we will figure out the licenses and regulation later.
Do you want to? Okay, okay. We come back to landscaping data, I guess. So yeah.
Yeah. So let's put it here. And I think this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Now I just need to clear some of these trees. So the new delete tool, only foliage. And let's see. So I'll let these two be there. I will not remove these.
Mhm.
Let's see what else do we need to remove. So
I think you should leave some of those trees on the station anyway. It's fine. Some
huh,
of them
so
might.
I'm just looking at something that is too close to the track. So maybe this
Yeah,
and this.
that, yeah.
Okay, that is
Even
okay.
you. Huh.
Actually, I would expect that the trees go when you
Place a
plumb
station.
them.
Yeah, I think it's interesting. Maybe like
It is slightly weird.
I mean, you can always just delete all of them right now.
Let
Uh,
it be for now. It'll make for an interesting scene. Okay.
yeah.
So now we should slope down here a bit.
Yeah.
So slope tool, and let's say we want to get to this height. So I have just control click there, and then I'll just slope down. I think this is fine.
And that may have taken some bits of the station base, but
That's okay. So, okay,
Mhm.
I'm used to pressing escape.
Yeah.
This will get fixed when we draw a new track.
Yeah.
Okay, and on this side also we need to slope down. So again, this height I'll say it's like, oh, what's that?
Yeah, the slope tool is a bit more precise in that way that it does sample the height around your mouse, uh,
Yeah, I'm
but it
just.
does affect a larger area depending on the size of your brush. So
I'll again fix it now the way I fixed the previous one.
yeah.
So if we look at this, sample this, and just round over it. I think this is fine. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I have my grid lines and the contour lines both are on. Okay, so now let's make this U bend. Okay, first let me clean up my sketch. We want to follow this line, this peak, and we want to encircle it. Okay, now I can simply extend this in a straight line till here, and
Okay.
then I think it's going underground. So, oh,
It
this,
is a bit too sharp.
yeah, it's too sharp. So, let me delete this, and we need a slope again, smaller insides. Is that better? No, it's still not better.
No, it's
Let me get this rid of this track. I'll need to elevate there a
yeah,
bit, and then we'll gradually slow down.
yeah.
Or you know what? We can just put a bridge there.
You can. I was gonna suggest that if you extend the track a bit forward, maybe, but then again, like, it's also a question of whether you want to retain the slopes and not touch the terrain as much. Like if you want to build along the side, then you would need to sort of figure out uh,
No, let us
how
get
to
the
get.
track ahead a bit, and then
Yeah,
do
yeah.
this.
I I think I think
So
that's maybe, yeah.
let me see what the terrain difference is here, huh? And then
It's
accordingly, I
quite
can.
yeah.
This is at 670 meters, and this is at 659. So 20 meters is what we're looking at, right?
Mhm.
So 20 meters is this grade is fine. Let's take that. Now the track is smooth and proper. Yeah,
Yeah, I think that's good. That looks good.
and now I can just get down to ground level.
This way.
We have to make it very gradual.
It has to be a bit gradual. Yeah.
15 meters. Let's turn a bit as well.
I'm wondering if it might make sense to sample the height of the terrain and also show it with the elevation at this point when you're doing it, like
Might make sense
wherever.
because you need to know how much gap you're trying to fill.
Yeah, yeah, something like that. Like if you were to,
I think we can do better than just 5 meters depression. Let me risk that grade a bit.
just do a
So
single increment and then it's just that you'll have to
I
extend it.
think come down like this.
I have a
Because
feeling that's too.
it's also embanked, na? So no, we still have this weird.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Because you're that initial. Uh, so if you extend it quite far, and then it'll no.
This
I
is fine.
mean,
This is fine.
it is it's possible.
Yeah, it looks like it'll work.
Yeah, cool. At least we're on the ground now, so we can.
Now let me turn halfway here and then
Wait. Where are we? I can't. Can you zoom out a bit? Okay.
I think this is fine. And
Yeah,
then go like this.
yeah.
So let me first clean up that part of the terrain. You can now go towards this. I think we'll have to put up another bridge here.
Yeah. Maybe.
Let's do it like this. So I think it tried to place a tunnel there.
Yeah. So I think it's yeah,
It's
it
all
did.
underground. No, it's not.
It's like a it's just a cut and somewhat of a half a tunnel actually, which
Let me take a screenshot. This is for Vivek to
right.
evaluate.
So technically this did the right thing that so the transition between like
No, but my
the
terrain is inside the like my track is inside the terrain right now. You see,
yeah that
this is the
yeah
tunnel. The tunnel
that's
ended
yeah
here, started from here. So this part,
and
let
that's
me
like a
just clean up the terrain there. And I think it should be fine. Sample this height, small brush size, and then okay, this needs to be lesser now.
it is slightly lesser. But you try it from the other side. Yeah, you'll have to do a bit more cleaning up in terms of racing.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm sampling in between.
Okay.
So clearly the tunnel system needs a little more work. Is that a hole?
Yeah. I mean, you do what you were doing with the tunnel, like you with the terrain.
Something has happened. So now that I'm cleaning this up only, then we don't need that tunnel.
Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, or you can do that. Anyway, we're gonna extend the track as well, so it's
Yeah. So
yeah.
this is clean up, no?
Let's clean up. Yeah. GG.
Okay. Now we need to
Yeah, I
get down
mean,
here,
I, I think this
and we have to
uh,
work against gravity.
of the two maps we have shipped in the last build, I think this has a lot of terrain. Uh,
I think this what you're trying to say is that gravity has a lot of agency in this map.
yes. if, whichever direction you're going. So I think you should leave a bit of room for uh,
I'm just
the
trying to see if this track will work or not.
it's
Oh, this is this sharp? No, this is fine.
this is a bit sharp. You know what?
I think
Once
it's
you're
fine.
done,
We'll
maybe
see.
what we can do is I'll
We're
also
just
say
gonna train first and see where that's going.
say again.
I'm saying, should I just run a train and see how that's going?
Yeah. So what I was going to say was, you finish doing the track. You finish the track work. No, don't. I would say don't run it now. I'd say
Oh, wait.
finish the.
I realize the train is going the other way.
Yeah. So what I was going to say was to finish the track work and then run the train, and then we can come back and always fix these things.
Sure.
So
Now we need to do that only. Okay. So I will make the beach and the beach station later. I'll
yeah,
just loop this track around for now.
you can
So
also
very
quickly do that if you want. Like just flatten and then make a station so that you have an idea of
yeah, the
like
station is not going to be at the beach, right? The beach.
yeah, it'll be slightly away. That's what I was going to also say that
So we can just build the station here. It's slightly flatter piece of
yeah.
terrain here.
Is that where we are coming from? I'm just trying to.
Oh, what?
I think you sampled.
This is fine. You have your tunnel here.
Mhm.
Let me place a station this way.
Wait. That's what I was asking. Where is your train coming from?
No, we'll move the train. Okay. Now, instead of going straight down, instead of doing this, we'll just continue this turn like this now.
Hmm.
Let me clean up that texture. So, so we want it to turn like this, and we want to go straight like this, and then we want to.
Turn. I think it should be a smaller turn above. Yeah, somewhere to the right, maybe. How is that? Oh,
So we have to fix
that's
the
a.
incline. We'll do that.
Uh,
But the turn, oh, this incline is also not
yeah,
correct.
yeah.
This point also needs fixing. This is fine.
This is fine. I think this is fine. This is also fine. I feel.
So let's quickly delete the parts that need fixing, and then this one
Uh,
here.
I think this.
Oh, this is
Okay.
floating in the air.
I was going to say that. Yeah, I mean, don't delete. It's like sometimes, like I want to play and I'm watching someone play, and then I'm like, "Hey, wait, stop it." Ah,
That's okay.
backseat train driving.
Or you can take care of my mice while I use the keyboard. We can do
Yes,
co-op play.
co-op gaming. That is also that. So that joined because I think we're coming up from too high that last
Oh, we have a
turn.
few people on the chat, by the way. Hello, everyone. Prospect
Right,
Alpha is asking, making a game. Yeah, we are, but at this time we are playing it.
just playing the game. So this is our what do you call bi-weekly play hour where we are essentially um, just playing the game as it is on
In the
from the
stream.
editor in the on a live stream, and just kind of showing you what is happening. This is essentially uh, sort of like an update from what we've been building, and we've shown in our playtest essentially. So none of these things, a lot of these features are not there in the playtest build that we have sent out, but this is, you can consider this a kind of a preview of things. At the same time, this is also just us having fun, and also uh, just getting an idea of what people want from a model train set building and simulation game. So yeah, welcome to the stream.
So we have a small problem, Yadu.
Yes,
That bug with double track creation is happening. So we need to get
okay,
rid of this entire segment.
go for it. We have a delete tool for that. So
Actually, I don't know why I'm like, oh, I should not be flattening the terrain completely.
why don't you make some steps, or
Sloping
or
it down.
or the or slopes? Yeah.
Oh, so I always end up doing this. This is not what I had in mind for our terrain, but sure. I can just slope it out here also.
Yeah. I mean, we can come back to uh, some
I can
other.
just slope it.
Yeah, you can, to get that sort of natural change in the height. So what is your thought? What's your plan here? What are you? How are you gonna change things?
No, so now that I've created these slopes,
Hmm.
I think it'll very naturally blend in. The only thing is the grade switch here. So what
Will
I'm
still be.
thinking is that I'll just flatten this a bit more, and then sort of this turn here, I'll
Mhm.
just go from here. So,
Why not try to? Oh, okay, okay.
oh, I didn't realize it would slope it like that. It should have created a slope, right? Why did it flatten it?
Depending on where you sampled, maybe. I think you
Sample, yeah.
sampled at the bottom.
This is what I'd sampled.
I was also going to suggest maybe build backwards, like in the sense, um, have the
You know what
have
I'm going to
the
do? Let this turn
yes,
happen.
huh?
I'm going to extend this terrain here. Let me first get rid of this track.
Oh, uh,
Oh, I enabled the new feature not to be shown. Ignore, ignore.
oops.
So I'm saying let this come like this here,
Hmm.
and I'll just raise the terrain
Okay,
to this level. Okay. So
flatten it. Okay.
something like this. We'll make it look beautiful later.
Hmm.
Okay. Let that tunnel happen here.
Okay.
Okay, we wanted a tunnel, so let that happen here. Okay,
All right.
from this point, and then tunnel here. So, oh, we need to manage this height difference.
Yes. It's not necessarily the. So what you can also, what I was trying to say was, why don't you do a small curve where the curve right now is, right?
Okay,
Uh, and then uh, let's say right now at the bottom of the bottom of where the track is, right? Like currently where the track ends right now.
yeah, here,
I'd say, yeah. So from there, turn towards the left, which is in this
this
perspective
way,
towards it. No, no, the other way. The other, yeah, towards the left
here,
now. Turn it a little bit so that it's kind of straight.
go here.
Uh, no, just a little bit, like half of that. No, even just let's just level the terrain there so that it is the same as where that turn is happening.
You're saying at this height.
At that, the height at where the track right now is.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah, make some space there. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, enough. And then take a turn from where the track right now is. That's enough. Yeah.
so we
Yeah.
can go like this.
Yeah. And go a bit straight. And then now connect to the station.
This here,
Yeah.
like this.
So I'm asking, do you want to do that? I don't know how high that is.
Let's see what it does.
Yeah.
We got a
Oh,
tunnel.
I think that's too steep. Yeah. Yeah.
We
Yeah, but
got a
that
tunnel.
embankment at the end is not going to be very smooth. So
Yeah, same thing. No. So
yeah,
basically,
so
what we need to do
yeah,
is, um, we actually need to
we
get
need
rid of
lots
this.
more space.
No, so basically, the track needs to go from here and then slope down and come here.
Yeah, we need to lose more height. Essentially,
Yeah.
we need to lose more height in terms of how you would take the track down
Yeah.
for it
Rage
to be
flag is making
legal.
fun of me.
Huh? No, I meant you need to take more turns to so that it goes
No,
down
I'm saying
slowly.
rage flag is making fun of me.
Oh, oh, somebody else. Rage flag, why don't you join our playtest? Okay, and come down to our Discord. Yeah, join the playtest, and then why don't you show us what you can do in join the beta, get
Are
a
you
build.
challenging me, Adu?
Uno reverse.
No reverse.
Come join the playtest, download a build on Steam,
Oh,
and then show us what you can do. The gauntlet has been tossed somewhere. Rage Flag Gaming, it's a public challenge. You have to accept this now.
rage flag is coming in the evening to fulfill your challenge, Adu.
Oh
Challenge accepted.
no. We'll do a second stream in the evening with Rage Flag.
Oh, this is going to be so sharp for me to turn here.
Kinshuk, the world doesn't bend to your whims.
Yes, it does.
Only only if you have the right tools.
33% grade. I think trains can navigate that.
Of course.
At least downhill they can. I blame the map editor, the map creator.
The map creator is good at creating challenges. Now you just have to win.
Okay, so change of plans. I'll go here. Okay, and then I'll do a full. Let me go straight a bit. Then I'll do a full 180. Oh, this is going to be a tunnel. Alright, cut it. Then I'm gonna go straight again, and this time I'm gonna take a little more straight actually. somewhere here. Then I'm gonna do a curve like this. Think- Oh, this is still there, but the rest of it has come out fine.
We have a comment asking if we can add missions and monsters with flying game mechanics.
Missions and monsters with flying game mechanics. Well,
We have
you
a
can.
roadmap where you can suggest features.
Yeah, please go to relia.gg/games/mo. Oh, I did something.
Hey, I've seen this happen
How
in
did that happen? I sampled the land.
Thank you for sharing the link. Please go to that link and wait, I can actually post stuff here also. Oh, I can't. I will make a note of something.
Why is this not connecting? I know why. Oh, my station is gone. I think this is fine.
Yeah, let's sort of come around and then let's run a train and see how that fares.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Sorry, what?
I said let's kind of have a come around. Let's like try to finish the track and then uh,
Oh, not test it with the train.
let's come around. No? Let's do a full circle and then in the sense,
Okay. So now we need to turn from here to here. So
yeah.
I'll not follow this exactly. I'll come to somewhere here. So for example, something like actually something like oh, why is it not extending?
It is it not? I think it's too steep a curve, maybe.
UI issues, UI issues. So let's take it like this.
Building a very precarious railroad.
I'm following the lay of the land on the cliff side.
On the cliff side.
Konkan Railways. And now we're supposed
Do,
to cross the ocean
do you wanna take it up? Where are we going with it? Like where?
back here.
Hold on a second. No, no, yeah, I know back here, but the elevation. If you want to go up anyway, don't go so low. Maybe cross across to the green
I was just
and
going to
then
build like a turn here and then connect them. So
I was going to
basically,
suggest just go across to the.
like first put a track down here like this, extend it to the
No, oh yeah, I keep forgetting that's the edge of the map. Hmm.
oh, I had to. This is a climb.
It is a climb.
Oh, and then tunnel right after. Do you want to see if it works?
Yeah,
Oh, this
yeah,
is straight. This
yeah,
is pretty forward. This
yeah.
should work.
Only concern is the end of the station. Maybe you should take it from the station down, but I think it should be
Yeah.
okay.
So sample, smaller brush. Sorry. Sample.
Ah!
Sample. I pressed the wrong button for sample.
Yeah, I think
Better.
that should be okay. It's okay. Yeah, okay.
Wait, I like making slopes. I have to go straight, right? Where's the
Yeah.
track? It's here. See, orient accordingly. So let's say we slope down till here.
Okay.
From here. Oh, I don't know why this happened. I'm not on the slope too. Is why it happened. But you get the idea. So it works.
If you use the right tools, yes. You know, I think I should you should pay money for using these tools.
I'm just going to flatten this.
Oh no. It's like a
You
isn't
know
it like a
what?
video? Huh?
What we
Yeah.
should do is this is at 670 meters. So we should just create another bunch of terrain here at 670 meters. Okay.
Okay.
And we should take this down to, let's say, 500 meters. Create a new water body, dig to sea level.
Maybe increase the brush size a bit.
Yeah, all the trees are drowning. We can just this. I'm just going to batch delete all foliage.
There. Okay.
Okay. And the water is shallow.
Yeah, because it's
Oh,
just
it's
under the.
very
It's just like
shallow. Let's give it a little depth. Okay.
okay. There's some gap there, some tree stuck there also, but huh. Yeah, I think that's okay.
It's fine. I will soften it also. Oh, I didn't see the track there.
Where is the track?
This one on the right. Anyhow, so we get to make one more bridge. Is what I was trying to. Oh wait, how is this the same height?
Is it the same height?
I think I sampled it. Yeah.
It must be then.
Let's
The
see.
problem is that you know what the problem will
Yes.
be when you do this.
Yeah.
The next segment will be too steep.
No, no, we'll fix the segment. We have length there.
No, the next one, the one after this on the left, will be too steep.
This one, now
Uh,
we have the distance to fix it.
I don't know. See the I that you can't do.
Wait, wait, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'm just. How do you get to the ground? This is like a roller coaster now.
Yes. I think some of the things, I guess, what both of us keep saying and about, hey, you can't do this, you can do this. I think it's also sort of something that we have both internalized about uh, how grades of certain height work.
So this is 670, 669,
Yeah,
and this is 670. There's something wrong with this terrain sampling. 610, okay. 610 and 670. So that's what, 60 meters.
yeah. I'm not doing the math right now.
Huh.
Yeah, that's so. What you can also do is to not do this. Like, you sample whatever is the height at 610 or whatever, and
Yeah.
raise that other bit. Like the no no wait, on the left, the cliff that we just made, right?
Yeah.
We can push it down to its like base height, and then delete the track on the left and take it again all the way from there, from the other
The station to
6-9.
the.
Yeah, closer to the station. We can try to um, and you can level the terrain in this bit maybe. I think, oh, I don't know whether you deleted the track on the station also at this point.
No, so you're saying we take this cliff down to 610.
Yeah, and then extend it all the way to the station.
Right? It's like 60 to 610, like 60 meters here. So instead, I think what we should do is like take it to like 630 or 640.
That you can also do that with your elevation, right? Like, you don't need to raise the terrain. You can take a two-step approach. Reduce this anyway. Sample and what is that? 640. 6.
640. Yeah. This is like 20 meters down from this. So this we can probably make work. This I think is fine. And now from 640 to 610, there are 30 meters.
Yeah, that should be okay.
We are now at 10 meters. 8.4. So, oh, 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 oh.
I mean, technically we won't be climbing this way, but sure. That's too
Now,
steep.
how has the grade increased?
So it's a sharper incline, I think, on this side. So you just delete the tracks on the right and try to connect it a bit further in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that should be fine. Okay. What is it? How much is it? I can't super see.
It's at 11%.
Oh yeah, so it most likely need to be double that distance.
Typically 3x.
Uh, you know,
Shouldn't there be a tunnel here?
there should be.
I think the tunnel placement is not working. Time to test if something happens.
Let me give. All right.
Let's pick the fast one.
Sure. Did we add a second? We added a second station, no?
Yeah, we added some.
Just F11 and all right. Let's see what happens here.
Now let me look at the speed I am moving this one. So
Uh,
50% speed, it's at 120 kilometers per hour. Going fine.
yeah.
So far, so good. Shivang is asking for some train trivia. I can use geography trivia today. This is
Oh,
still
oh no. Oh, okay. That is,
no. So we'll just like because we're climbing back, we'll just extend that.
yeah, yeah.
Right?
Maybe I should be fine. A bit of a, oof. What is your speed? Okay.
One. Let me increase the throttle a bit.
Yeah. I think
Still
you
going
might
down
need
29,
more. More.
16, 17. I think it's getting back in control.
Okay.
19. Yeah, it's
Okay.
almost there.
Then it should be okay.
Oh, what is this? Oh, tunnel. There's
This is
something
going
wrong
to,
with placements. We need
yeah,
to.
yeah. This is also a bit.
Oh, it just.
Yeah, so I think that that is a steeper sort of
It's
bit
very
there.
steep.
Yeah, this turn is like almost like impossible. I feel
Yeah, but wait, let's fix this first.
not this, the one after.
I'm just getting there. No, this was fine.
Yeah, yeah, the one after this on the left. On the left.
Yes,
Yeah,
here.
this one.
How did we miss this?
Yeah, I think because we were just a bit zoomed in, and when we were looking at that's also yeah.
This needs some distance. This I think is fine. No, wow. No, we have to extend this
Yeah, from the
elevation.
top. Yeah,
I'll just do preserve height.
I don't. Do you? Okay,
This is fine, right? Still steep.
it is a bit steep.
Much better than earlier. I think this is fine
Yeah,
for
yeah.
now.
I mean, it's okay. Yeah.
Not preserve height anymore. Just connect. Okay.
Okay. So want to connect? It's fine.
It's not good.
You know what you can also try to do is to just get rid of some of the, so where you deleted on the left essentially, and yeah, take that off and go to the left more, and then start from the right track, and then join it and see if it works better.
But still, there is.
Hmm.
It's okay.
I mean,
We'll.
I think it just moved on to a bit to the right now, that elevation.
Oh,
Is it just level the bit? Data.
yeah. So about this,
This I don't think you
we
can
should take
get
a
out of it. With,
longer turn like this.
yeah, it has to. You have to take all of this out. So one thought is to just, yeah, like, no, don't place it. I'm just thinking from the right track, from the right one on the right,
Yeah.
and then try to curve it all the way to the station. See what happens. Like, just take it to the station. There was a bit somewhere there.
It's doing a tunnel from here.
Yeah,
It's not drawing tunnels.
I
So
think
weird.
something. I think that track also did not connect well for some reason. May not have.
Either you want to do a time check.
Yeah, I think we are over time at this point. We are over the hour mark, but
We're over
we
an
can.
hour.
We are over an hour.
Okay, let's quickly run a train and see how this goes, and then we can probably pick up from here later.
Sure. Let's see how this goes. Let's try the other train, or you want to do this? Okay.
This one has more power to go through the inclines and everything.
Okay. Which
Okay,
one?
the port sky it
This
is.
guy. Uh huh.
No, no, the intercity one has more power.
Ah.
See, this one at full power is like 70 kilometers per hour.
Yeah. So at least it's. Can you turn the contours off for a second? Just for a second. Look at them wobble.
No, that is something that Vivek and I are tweaking a bit. We are getting
Hmm.
full train locomotive physics. It's interesting, all the kinds of coupling and things that we have to do. Okay, let's look at the speed where it's on. It's constant 72. So the train is at max speed right now. And now managed it. And now it'll
I have
enter
a
the
feeling this is. I wonder if this is not connected. If so, there's a signal here.
okay, now in the
So
tunnel. Oh,
I don't think the tunnel has spawned for some reason.
we are in the Zen world. The head crabs are coming. That is so weird.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
that's it for today, folks. Next time we'll learn more physics and come.
We'll do our homework.
Thank you for watching Model Trains where it is right now, and Yadu and me trying to get to grips with our lack of physics. And
We will do our homework and come back in a
crash.
couple of weeks with new features and more realistic physics. But in the meantime, please join our Discord and do drop by and help us build the game. So join, I think the links we've shared, railyard.gg/game/model trains. Um, so yeah, and our Discord is discord.secondquest.games, or you can directly go to playmodeltrains.com and then join our play test. It really helps. Your feedback really helps, and there are a lot of amazing things that we plan for people who are giving us feedback, and yeah, like these players as are as fun for us, and also a space for us to kind of show what we are up to, and essentially talk about what we're doing. This is more of a very casual stream, and so yeah, so drop by, give us feedback, join the playtest, and also we do a live stream at the end of uh, every month almost, and do drop in for that as well. Yeah, so that's kind of it. Join us again next time.
And we're a small indie studio from India, so support us in making this game. Like and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel.
Yes, please. See you
Bye.
all next time. Bye bye.